Kim, where is your pain?
In my shoulder.
At point exactly where. So I'm going to have her point to it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit on that area. Now you can do it with the clothes on, or I've had clients where they've just taken their shoulder out and then I'm on the bare skin. And so what I'm going to just do, I'm going to go all into this area first. And then I'm going to do all the attaching, you know, with the whole shoulder area. Again, I'm going to just do pressure points, trigger points. And this is what I do for a whole 20 minutes. But I'm looking at Tanya, and Tanya's over there like, I can breathe. And I'm like, that's great. So she left out of pain. Shoulder issues that have actually left 100% free. And they'll go like this, they'll go, I'm out of pain. So great.